Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week, acquiring 7.92%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The cost of Axie endlessness especially rose by 2.05% in the past 24 hours. As far as Axie's support floor, it in a real sense is presently $10.21, or so they truly thought. Axie basically has its next opposition at $11.87 in an unpretentious manner. 27 November 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these oftentimes most certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what essentially is momentary cost expectation for Axie endlessness, in every way that really matters. Is Axie a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Axie endlessness support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the Axie's specialized examination, let us explicitly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, showing that as far as Axie's support floor, it in every practical sense, is presently $10.21 in an exceptionally huge way. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in an especially significant manner. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $51,887,486,523 in a sort of enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%. Which truly shows that 27 November 2023, in this video, we will basically walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these much of the time certainly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness, truly is Axie a kind of wise interest in a sort of enormous manner. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in a very huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how as far as Axie's support floor, it in every practical sense, is currently $10.21 in a huge way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how as far as Axie's support floor, it most certainly is currently $10.21. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, really is somewhere around 3.54 and right now exchanging at 60 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how XRP, the very local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 3.54 and at present exchanging at 60 cents in an unpretentious manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending heading for essentially present moment, which sort of shows that Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in an extremely large manner. Right now, a by and large broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 7.92%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Which truly shows that Axie vastness backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they for the most part thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers certainly become significantly more lovely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every practical sense, significant way. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants truly become move essentially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that XRP, the very local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 3.54 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, axes, Axie endlessness execution. The kind of everyday diagram of Axie boundlessness in a real sense shows that the axes cost by and large has truly flooded up with a 2.05% expansion in kind of beyond 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness, axes, coin generally is remaining at $6.64, with market capitalization $876,484,691 United States dollars, showing how Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week acquiring 7.92%, which explicitly is very critical. Axie's cost changes 7.92% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $425,237,448 United States dollars, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95%, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie vastness value examination axes cost investigation for 27 November 2023, inside an everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath, so as of now, a very broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which by and that's what large shows Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week acquiring 7.92%, which truly is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to for the most part investigate the future development of the Axie boundlessness. Showing how Axie endlessness value examination axes cost examination for 27 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time span really made sense of beneath, so as of now, an especially broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week acquiring 7.92%. Or so they generally thought. The Axie limitlessness especially has truly break all its truly upholds levels, and things certainly are not searching in every way that really matters, great for the crypto market, or so they for the most part thought. At present, generally bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively most certainly take axes cost underneath the urgent help level of $10.21, which explicitly shows that as far as axes support floor, it certainly is currently $10.21, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so yet prior to jumping profound into the axis